Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Hope you're all staying safe. The coronavirus situation in some parts of the world is getting worse. Please take care and boost up your immunity system. Today's video is kind of an extension to my previous video on turmeric tea. I had quite a few queries asking for substituting fresh turmeric. Though I did mention how to make the powder, a few of them requested me to do a video on turmeric tea powder, and here I am with a very useful video to show how to make the simple turmeric tea powder, which not only helps boost your immunity system but also helps in weight loss. And this is also very good for getting a flat belly. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Turmeric tea can be prepared either from pure turmeric powder or grated or ground fresh turmeric. I will link above in the iCard how to use fresh turmeric for this tea. So you can go and watch that video. But for now we are going to make with all powders. So get all your dry ingredients ready. All the powders I am using here are bio products. Try to get good quality powders as far as possible. Today I am using turmeric powder, dry ginger powder, cinnamon powder, black pepper powder and cardamom powder. All these individually have their health benefits and also enhance the flavor of the tea. Turmeric helps boost our immune system through its amazing antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The additional ingredients into the turmeric tea improves the taste and helps with its absorption. So to a bowl now, add in all the powders one by one. Basically it's just mixing all the powders and then store it. Black pepper contains piperine, a chemical that helps promote curcumin absorption. Curcumin is the active compound in turmeric that helps boost the immune system. It also gives a spice kick to the tea. It's very soothing to your throat as well. Ginger enhances the antioxidant and antimicrobial properties in the mixture and improves the taste. Cinnamon aids weight loss and can also lower blood sugar levels, reduces heart disease and many more benefits. Cardamom gives a very good flavor to the tea. You must actually go and watch my other video where I give more details on the benefits of turmeric. Mix all the powders well and store it in an airtight container and use as and when required. You can store this for months but keep it sealed tightly. So now let's make the turmeric tea using this powder. Add half a teaspoon of this turmeric powder mix into a glass and pour hot boiling water. Let it steep for about 5 minutes and that's it, your turmeric tea is ready. And if you want to make larger quantity, bring 2 cups of water in a medium pot to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of the prepared turmeric tea powder and turn off the heat. Then cover the pot with a lid and rest it for about 5 minutes for all the flavors to seep into the liquid. You can strain it if required. You can also add honey or any sweetener and a dash of lemon to taste. You can also drink the tea as it is. Just remember not to add honey or lemon to hot liquid as this will destroy its benefits. This immune boosting tea can be had by anyone and have this first thing in the morning on empty stomach for best results. And have your breakfast only half an hour after having this tea. This way you'll get best results. Do make this turmeric tea powder and let me know how it turned out for you. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.